Good morning guys, my name's Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. It's snowing. You want to see another problem? So as you would have seen in previous vlogs, this door kind of freezes shut quite a lot. And it doesn't just freeze on the seals, it freezes down in this, this run of freezes. And I think what must have happened is this. So it has this plastic chain. Let's see if you can see it. Sen, get out. There's this plastic chain here that holds the cable for the door in it. I mean, not the best design if you ask me, but... And that chain must have frozen in here. And I kicked the door open from the inside and it snapped the chain. So now, yeah, this cable's sitting where it's like, can get trapped. And also the door doesn't click to stay open anymore. But you know, I don't mind fixing things, but... I think to get to that chain you have to lift the step up, which is obviously a bit of an issue when I've built the kitchen into it. So yeah, there's another one for the summer list. Right, so I'm just going to get some drinking water from Carrefour and then head back to Neon. Take the dogs for a walk, get some snowboarding in today, yes. Okay, see you in a bit. And I've got all of yesterday's vlog edited. Okay, back to Neon. Oh, nice. Look at all that snow we've had. Sweet. So you might remember on a vlog a couple of weeks back that I was testing my GoPro on a pole and checking different settings out, but it turned out the pole wasn't long enough. Well, now I've got a long enough pole, so I'm going to go and check that out today. Right, let's get changed. So, super view on the pole is looking good. Getting the, you know, head to toe in, you can see the board and everything. And I can have stabilization on, but only at 60 frames per second. Which really, I want to use 120 for slow-mo, you know? And as you might know, the other day I was talking about getting a Hero7 to, well, to sort this out for me so I can film at high frame rates with stabilization and a large field of view, or super view. So I ordered a Hero7 and I found one for 280 quid new on some French discount shop. So like 330 euros, I think it was. So cheapest I could find. It's actually cheaper than like most of the second-hand ones out there. I think I seen one second-hand one that was cheaper, and that was a little questionable, you know. I'll post a link anyway in the description below to where I got it from. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a recommendation. Right, so I'm gonna do my last run down now, home run, and get some dinner.